Nexo buzzed with neon energy. Flying vehicles zipped between towering skyscrapers. Holographic advertisements lit up the night sky. But 17-year-old Bhupesh preferred the quiet hum of his computer. He was a coding whiz, lost in the world of algorithms and data streams. One night, while combing through his father's old files, he stumbled upon a hidden folder, Project Alchemy. Intrigued, Bhupesh clicked it open. Lines of code, stranger than any he'd ever seen, filled the screen. They pulsed with an eerie green light. As he typed the final command, the air crackled with energy. A swirling vortex of green energy erupted from the computer screen. The air grew hot, the room vibrated. Bhupesh shielded his eyes, fear battling with excitement. He never thought his father's research would lead to this. This was beyond anything he could have imagined. "What have I done?" he whispered, taking a step back from the swirling portal. But it was too late. The pull of the unknown was too strong. Bhupesh was being dragged into the swirling abyss. Bhupesh tumbled through the vortex. Disoriented, he crashed onto soft grass. He looked around. Gone were the chrome and glass towers of Nexor. He found himself in a lush meadow, ringed by towering trees that shimmered with an otherworldly glow. The air vibrated with a strange energy. He wasn't alone.
"Welcome to Altheria, young coder," the man said, a knowing smile on his face. "I have been expecting you."
"Who are you?" Bhupesh stammered, getting to his feet. The ground felt different here, alive somehow. He realized he could still feel the hum of energy from the portal, though it was closing rapidly.
"I am Orin," the man replied, rising gracefully. "And you, Bhupesh, are no ordinary coder. You possess the ancient gift of script weaving, the ability to shape reality with code."
Orin's words hit Bhupesh harder than any line of code ever could. This world, this magic, it felt strangely familiar, like a forgotten dream. Days turned into weeks as Bhupesh trained with Orin. He learned that in Altheria, code wasn't just instructions for machines, it was the language of creation itself. Here, algorithms could conjure fire and for loops could control the elements. Bhupesh's fingers flew across his holographic keyboard, his every keystroke weaving spells of breathtaking power. One evening, Orin led Bhupesh to a hidden grove. In the center, bathed in ethereal light, lay a book unlike any other. It pulsed with raw energy, its pages filled with intricate code.
"This is the Codex of Eternity," Orin said, his voice filled with reverence. "It holds the balance of both our worlds."
He placed a hand on the book's cover. "Your parents, Bhupesh, they were guardians of the Codex. They sacrificed themselves to protect it from those who would exploit its power." The revelation struck Bhupesh like a bolt of lightning. His parents, who he thought were simple scientists, were heroes in this world. And now, it was his destiny to follow in their footsteps. Their idyllic training was shattered when a shadow fell over Altheria. Valdor, a rogue script master, sought to control the Codex and bend both worlds to his will. Orin explained that Valdor had once been his student, but greed and lust for power had corrupted him, twisting his code into something dark and dangerous. From the shadows, allies emerged. Zara, a fierce warrior with blades of pure energy. Lyra, a cunning rogue who could manipulate data streams. And Patch, a quirky inventor whose gadgets defied the laws of physics. They had all been touched by Valdor's darkness, their lives forever changed.
"We stand with you, Bhupesh," Zara declared, her eyes blazing with determination. "For the sake of Altheria and Nexor, we must stop Valdor."
Bhupesh knew the fate of both worlds rested on his shoulders. He had to master the power within him, the legacy of his parents, and face Valdor. The fate of two worlds hung in the balance.